2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: automatic parking, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors. Take home the car of your dreams today.